Hey guys, so today I thought I would share with you, in my opinion, the best way to handle forms in React. So, the traditional approach of handling forms would be to create states and recording those states with the onChange attribute. So, the problem with this approach is if I open my DevTools here, each time I type something in the input field, it renders out, as you can see here. I'm recording the state with the use effect. So each time you type something, it renders out the entire component. So you can visualize if our React app tends to grow and has complex component structures inside, it would affect the performance. So what I found was that using this use hook form, as you can see here, it this problem is avoided. I think they have a good demonstration here. Yeah, this is how our how we handle usually our forms. So as you can see, when we type it, it affects the child components, but when we use React hook forms, as you can see, it doesn't affect any of the child components. So I'll just demonstrate some basic ways of hand using use hook forms. So let me, first thing is, yeah, you'll have to install it, of course. So copy and paste. I've already have it installed if I'm not wrong. I think I have it. Yeah, so we'll import this. We'll take the first line from here, and I'll be using TypeScript, but you can follow along with simple JavaScript as well. So I'll just take this all out. We can, from their docs, we can just pull this out. Yep. Yeah. Okay, this is good. Just clear all this. Okay. So the way we record what the user has typed is using something called a register. So say you want to record the name of the user, what you would do is, oh yeah, before that I'll have to create an interface types for TypeScript wants me to create a type for this, so I'll just create that. If you're following with JavaScript, you won't be needing this. So name will be a string, email will be a string, oops, and message will be a string. Yeah, everything's a string. Should have gone with something else, but whatever. So I'll just declare it here. It will be of type input. Okay, this will be of type input. You won't be needing this if you're using JavaScript. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, so now let's record this. So for recording, what you'll do is, this is the name field. What I'll do is, I'll just create an object, register, and name it. Yeah, that's all I need. Because of TypeScript, it's giving me an IntelliSense. That's why I love TypeScript. Then we'll go with email. It will be email and message. So we've recorded everything. Okay, we'll have to change this as well. I think it is something called handle submit, and inside that on submit. Okay, yeah, that's it. So now if I open my DevTools here and I type something, so byte at email.com, this is amazing, and I press submit. Yeah, see, you can see here it's recorded everything and doesn't affect any of the components if I had any components inside. But say if the user leaves the name field empty and he clicks submit, it still goes. So this is a problem which might cause some problems in the future. We don't want that, right? So what we could do is we could just go here, that register object, and I declare something called required is true. So if I do this, save this, and click now submit, it doesn't go, as you can see here. Only if I fill out this field, it goes. So this is one of the good things about React Hook Forms. So say if he leaves this empty, I want an error message to be rendered out here. We could do that as well by just destructuring errors from form state. So then I could just do something like errors dot name. So you can see here I've named the register here name, that's why we type name here. And if this is true, I want to render out something like please enter name. Save that. Now see, if I just refresh this, I leave this empty, please enter name. So this is a very versatile hook when it comes to handling forms. I'll show you another neat little trick which I found, which was if I take something called watch from useForm and I do something like this, say watch, say watch name, yeah. And if only if this is true, then I want you to render out the text area. If I save this, you can see, yeah, this goes. So now when I type something here, only then this message field will be visible. This is something which I used in one of my projects, where say I had an input field and the user types something, only then he's able to type a message. It's a UI kind of hack which I found. Anyway, that's all. See you guys next time. Thanks.